Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this guy. So let's just take a look at the box. So as always in unboxing I'm going to show you exactly what's inside the box, and I usually do start off with the outside because I know you guys want to see any extra info that you might not see on the website. So around the box, that's the information that you guys would get. And just turn it all the way around so you guys can see. I can tell you this feels a little heavy. And that would be around the box. So let's take a look inside and what we get. Well, this looks just like a cover. Yep, it's just a cover. Guess it'll come useful sometimes. So here we go. Here's the cable. Let's just extend this out. So here we go. Here's a set of instructions that came with that. So this is everything that you guys would get. These instructions, all this information package right here to get started right away. The cover, and this guy right here. Okay, that's all you guys get in the box. Now let's take a look at this guy with some close-ups. Before I get going with the close-ups, I just want to let you know that this does feel heavy, so it feels good. This plastic does feel cheap. This feels okay. Like the machine itself feels okay. There's nothing metal that I can see besides this and maybe the bottom part. Everything else is plastic, but it feels a little bit heavy duty. And that would be it for this unboxing. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.